Welcome to ePathashala. Now I am going to talk about Amar Raja Industrial Landscaping for Planting Plan. See, what is very important when you are doing an industrial landscaping is that you have to understand that people are going to stay in the industrial area for more than 8 to 10 hours of the day life. So, which constitute almost 80% of the day life they are going to spend there. So we have to do a proper landscaping in such a way that we create environmentally a balancing act, be a balancing act. Instead of calling a balancing act, I would like to call it as environmentally sound landscaping aid. B is we have to provide or improve the microclimate because you are going to have lot of built up spaces. Lot of heat is going to get generated because of the building and then because of the activity inside the factory. Then you need to have a proper greenery around the area from inside to outside view for the workers and different level of people to have a pleasant view outside for their view purpose. Okay, then about the basic point we have to take care while designing the landscaping of industrial or A is your buffer planting around the compound wall, which need to have the trees of higher canopy so that people won't jump out of the tree and go out of the compound by stealing something. Then we will be wasting lot of money in terms of security, number one. Number two, we have to also think in terms of canopy at a random level, not at an equal distance, so that anybody hiding behind the canopy is seen by a security person, so that any untoward incident happening or theft happening in the factory can be controlled. And by controlling it, we need not waste so much of money on security. Nowadays, what is happening, I have observed in most of the industrial landscaping is we are wasting too much of money on security for the item which will be stolen. So it's supposed to have been stolen. It will never happen. But just out of fear, we are wasting so much of money on security. So these kind of planting, these kind of thing can minimize the security aspect. Number three, you also need to have a cycle track or a jeep track if the factory is a huge one, so that a security person can cycle and monitor or take a jeep and monitor the whole area. Okay, then the basic choice of plant material, which is very important in industrial area, is number one is your leaf shedding pattern. So most of the trees preferably should be evergreen. If you are recommending deciduous, you might have to reduce the number of deciduous because the housekeeping will be very huge costing for that. Number two, you have to also need to have some coloring pattern, some kind of an aroma, some kind of a dense foliage for noise pollution, then some kind of a buffer planting for wind breakers and things like that. So when you go into the detailed design, all these things have been taken.
Industrial landscape design. The landscaping as we should see it today is the scientific and aesthetic use of available outdoor spaces to provide utility-based green module for relaxation. As we visualize how one approaches the campus, literally one could easily identify the various aspects of typical landscape plan. Okay, we are reading it out, you can always read them. Basically, in an industrial area, the following are the points that will be acting as a design requirement: green belt development, flowering and foliage trees, ascent plants, mass planting, hedge planting, specimen palms, ground cover and creepers, undulation grassy mounds to make the area little more longer, road landscaping to provide trees along the roads, island development for enhanced visual character, entrance landscaping to understand what is the entrance area. Tree trees, tall trees for the compound wall side, so that people won't climb in or climb out from the industry. So these are all things which need to be understood. Plus your security is also very important. People should see that through the trees, people are not hiding and things like that. Even though the stolen value is very less, but stolen is a wrong thing. So we have to take care of it at the initial level itself. You can read down whatever we have written on this particular area. Aroma tree is also required in the STP areas. Specimen palms are there, shrubs are there, hedge plantings are there, grasses, different types of grasses are there. Usually we use Korean grass on the area where you have more aesthetic oriented, where rough grass like your Cynodon dactylon, we call it in a botanical name, or your Australian grass is used, where you can cut the grass once in 20 days so that whatever dust accumulated in the grass will go out and the new grass will grow to take care of the more dust. So this is also one more aspect in that. Then rainwater collection pond is also equally important. And this is the master plan showing the requirements. The view of the tree planting and then visitors entrance area. We have also written why the planting is done, what kind of planting is done is also written here. The view of the visitors entrance. You need to combine the tree planting and shrub planting, planter boxes. So you cannot just do planting alone. We cannot do just hard landscaping. It's a combination of hard landscaping and soft landscaping. Then we have a tea point entrance. People come here out for having a cup of tea. The view of that. Then island area landscaping, how the crossover, pedestrian crossovers are provided and different levels are maintained. And see the cross section, how the trees are planted in different levels. These are all done only from the site inputs. The view of the island, turning radius is provided properly so that vehicle can turn without any much problem, and your planting is guiding the drive, which is also equally important. Then your cross section, planting sections. All the sexes will have a different axis. Woman area is different, man area is different. Then screening walls and some civil inputs to cater to the needs. Then some more details. Pedestrian walk is being provided here.
Here, we have done so many landscaping for so many factories, so many places. Here, we had chosen a totally a different concept. The 5 senses we call it. That is, we have taken care of 5 different feeling of a man. We are talking about ears, the sound, the mouth, the taste, nose, aroma or smell, eyes, usually freezing, then touch. Touch is what you feel about it. So, how is the landscaping taken care with all these 5 aspects is more important. I have explained in detail how all the 5 points were detailed out in the design. Here these 5 concepts was evolved in order to give them a different edge, and they are also doing a lot of export oriented project. Then they can showcase this landscaping as one of the features, or they can use this as one of the selling points, or they can use this as a carbon compensation for them. Of course, nowadays I don't know much about this carbon compensation business, but that is also was there, and now we can also think in terms of that also being used. So when anybody visits this particular factory, you can really look into all the 5 feelings, how they have been created in this area. See, basically, when you are designing you first have to take the ownership of the particular design. Then and then work on the class of that particular industry, what level they are going to do the landscaping, what level of expenditure they are going to do on the landscape. So when you assess all these points, you will definitely come rise to a different concept. So here we have evolved this particular concept so that the factory will have a different environment for the people to use. Thank you.